we'll guide you through how to customize workflow in Jira. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have an active internet connection before accessing Jira. Once your browser is ready, go to 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 by entering the website address into the address bar. Choose the login method you want to use, for example Google, for a faster and more convenient sign-in process. When the available accounts are displayed, select the account you want to use for managing your Jira projects and workspace. After selecting the correct account, click Continue to access the Jira dashboard. Once you are inside Jira, select the space you want to use according to your project requirements. After opening the selected space, click the three dots icon inside the space to access additional configuration options. From the available menu, select Space Settings to open the settings page for the selected space. Next, click on the Work Type section to open the drop-down menu containing the available work types. Choose the work type whose workflow you want to customize. After selecting the work type, click Edit Workflow to open the Workflow Editor and access the Workflow Configuration tools. Inside the Workflow Editor, you can add statuses, transitions, or rules according to your workflow requirements. For example, drag a connection from In Progress to In Review to create a new transition between those statuses. When prompted, type the transition name according to your needs so team members can clearly understand the purpose of the workflow step. After entering the transition name, click Create to add the transition to the workflow. Now you have successfully added a transition to the workflow. If your process requires additional workflow paths, repeat the same steps to add additional transitions if needed. After reviewing your workflow changes and confirming that everything is configured correctly, click Update Workflow to prepare the workflow for publication. Click Save to apply the changes and make the updated workflow available to your team. Now you have successfully customized the workflow in Jira to better support your project management process and team collaboration.